How to sign into your Citibank online banking account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can sign into your Citibank online banking account. For this, you want to launch open any web browser. Now head over to citi.com. Here, you want to tap on the sign on option at the top of your screen. On the login portal, you will have to enter some details. Start by entering your user ID. After that, you want to enter your password on the second box. If you want your user ID to be remembered, check the box that says Remember User ID. Do not select this if you are using a public computer. Now tap on the Sign On option. If the details entered by you are correct, you will be successfully signed into your Citibank online banking account. In case you have forgotten your user ID, tap on Forgot User ID option. Then, in order to retrieve your user ID, you will have to select one of these options and enter the credentials. In case you have forgotten your password, you want to tap on the Forgot Password option. Then, you will have to follow the same steps over here as well. Simply select any one of these options. If you select bank or credit card customer, then you will have to enter your ATM or credit card number here and tap on the Continue option. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.